Hello, my name is Benjamin Patchen. Today we're at MarineMax Stuart, and I'm going to show you a 2018 Yamaha VX HO. Cool new ski. He's got a trailer jack. Come up, really pretty boat. Come around the back, you'll see you've got a nice step for getting on board. Grab handle. This has got the new Yamaha ride system with dual throttle controls for ability to brake well. Right around the dock. 33 hours on it. Once again, my name is Benjamin Patchen. This is a 2018 Yamaha VX. Give us a call at MarineMax Stuart, 561-657-9377.